Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal with you, Natural Transplants, here in the Bethesda, Maryland office. And today we're super excited. We have Olu joining us all the way from North Carolina. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I feel fine.
Good.
Feel
a little nervous in the beginning, but we did some deep breathing, had a tiny little valley, and we're feeling a little bit better, so that's good.
Yes.
Thank you so much for doing this and sharing your story. You said it helped you when you were looking around and you sort of wanted to give back, so I appreciate that.
Yes.
If you wouldn't mind sort of telling everybody why you're here and what you're looking for.
Okay, so I've kind of like struggled with traction alopecia for a while, and I noticed a thinning, I guess after I got when I was pregnant, and then the hair just, I think with time, it just never came back. And so I just feel this is my treat to myself. I'm 46 years old, and I feel that I deserve it.
You do deserve it. Well, we're honored to be part of this journey with you, and thank you for trusting us. And you have incredible hair for this. You have phenomenal hair, so this should be a really good result. Obviously, there's some traction in here. There may be a little genetic component as well too, up in the corners. That's more common with genetic, but regardless, the transplants work really well for this. So this is going to be awesome. I'm going to have you kind of turn both sides there. Great. So we're going to draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll get back and we'll check in with you in a few. Sound good?
Sounds perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, we are back, and as you can tell, we have drawn the line and done some shaving. It was a little mentally, psychologically difficult, but we got through it. We just basically replaced her old hairline. You could kind of see the outline from where her little baby hairs were before, so it was pretty easy just to kind of follow along. We're not doing anything new here, we're just replacing what she got. And I think it's going to look awesome. You got great density, as we talked about. You're going to have a great result. All right,
Thank
you ready
you,
to rock and roll? All right, we're gonna head next door. We'll check on you a little later, okay?
Okay,
all right,
sounds
let's do it.
good. Thank you.
All right, Alu, we are finishing up. We got probably about 5 or 10 more minutes. You doing okay?
I'm doing perfect.
All right.
Fine.
Watched a couple cartoons today.
I watched some
Sing too. I know it was good.
And no pain. It was
pain.
super comfortable.
Good. We've had a good time today.
Yeah,
it's been fun.
I enjoyed my lunch.
Awesome. Well, we're winding down. We'll see you at the end.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you in a few.
Okay.
All right, Dr. Blumenthal back, and we are done. We got a big smile on our face. Congratulations. Today it went great. I'm super happy with the way it went. But you tell us how the day went from your side.
So it went really well. I made a really great choice. When I was looking for like hair transplant like surgeons, I kind of searched around and I talked to Dr. Blumenthal during COVID, so it was like a virtual. And I was like, I kind of like want to go in and meet him. And so I came into the office last year and I saw him, and then that's when I made my decision. Okay, I'm going to go for it. And the process has been really smooth. I mean, I've had a really great time. So thank you.
And I told you at the beginning of the day, I said at the end of the day, you would say it really wasn't that big a deal. And how was it?
It was really great. Like, aside from the needles, I think that was like
fun.
my worst part. But aside from that, it was really good. Thank you so much.
Of course. I'm gonna zoom in here just to kind of show off the work. And I am super happy with the way it went. Really packed it in tight. And your hair is awesome for this. I think it's going to look great. It's a very natural look on you. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for doing this. I wish we could just time warp for a year and see what it looks like, but we do have to wait, unfortunately. But we'll keep tabs on you. I'll call you tomorrow, but reach out if you have any problems, okay?
Thank you so much.
Take care.
It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Bye-bye.